Hello dear children, welcome to Rishikul Online School. Today we are going to start a new chapter of geography which is about major industries. So let's begin the chapter with the meaning of an industry. The word industry, it is taken from a Latin word industria, which means hard work or diligence. This definition, it takes us back to the 18th century in England, where the term industrial revolution originated. Industrial revolution, about which we studied in chapter number 5 of history. Industrial revolution, it involved in hard work. That time, men and women, they had to work for at least 18 hours to produce different types of goods. But in present scenario, the meaning of an industry, it has been changed. Now it refers to an economic activity that is concerned with the production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services. For example, textile industry, paper industry, etc. So this is an economic activity which I have already told you, which is concerned with the processing of raw materials. So this is the classification of industry. So industry, that is classified into different types on the basis of raw material, on the basis of size, and on the basis of ownership. If we talk about on the basis of raw material, that is further divided into agro-based, mineral-based, pastoral-based, and forest-based. Agro-based, as the name implies, it draws raw material from agriculture. Cotton textile, jute textile, and sugar are examples of such agro-based industries. Mineral-based. These industries are those which get raw materials from minerals like iron and steel and cement industries. Pastoral. They depend upon animals for their raw material. Forest, that depend on forest-based products like paper, wood, etc. On the basis of ownership, that industry, that is further divided into the different types: public sector, private sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. If we talk about public sector, so it is owned and operated by government agencies, for example, BHEL, SAIL, etc. Private sector. These are owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Reliance, Tata, etc. Joint sector. These are jointly run by the state and the individuals or a group of individuals. For example, Oil India Limited. Cooperative sector. These industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material, workers, or both. The best example, that is Amul. On the basis of size, industries are further divided into small scale and the large scale industries. Small scale industries are cottage or household. The examples of small scale industries are basket weaving, pottery, and other handicraft. Large scale industries, they produce in large volumes of production. Example of large scale industries are textile industries, thermal industries, etc. Industries are also divided on the basis of intensity of resources. For example, capital intensive industries. These industries, they stress on use of capital in comparison to labor. For example, paper industry, iron and steel industry. Intensity of resources, that is also divided into labor intensive industries. Labor intensive industries are those which use heavy labor force in manufacturing activities. Brick industry and metal scrap industry are the significant examples of labor intensive industries. So, dear children, this was all about this module, and we shall continue the chapter with the next module. Thank you. Have a nice day.